NEX NLN exam questions. Question 1. Which increase is shown from Monday 12 to Wednesday 20 in a simple practice chart in this inference clue item? Option A, 8. Option B, 3. Option C, 32. Option D, 20. The correct answer is option. The increase is the final value minus the starting value, 2012 equals 8. The other choices use the final value alone, only the Monday to Tuesday change, or the sum instead of the difference. Question 2. During a quick NEX review of a author purpose item, which word is closest in meaning to consistent in a health article? Option A, fragile. Option B, changing. Option C, steady. Option D, distant. The correct answer is option. Consistent means steady, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Fragile means easily broken, not steady. Changing means varying, not steady. And distant means far away, not steady. Question 3. After checking the choices in a summary task item, which answer identifies the process moves water across a semi-permeable membrane? Option A, osmosis. Option B, mitosis. Option C, transcription. Option D, exocytosis. The correct answer is option. Osmosis is the diffusion of water through a selectively permeable membrane. Mitosis is cell division. Transcription copies DNA information into RNA, and exocytosis moves materials out of a cell. Question 4. If a sentence correction stem gives one clear clue, which inference is best supported by the passage, a school added quiet study rooms, and students reported fewer distractions? Option A, students no longer needed to study. Option B, distractions are always helpful. Option C, quiet rooms increase noise. Option D, reducing distractions can improve study conditions. The correct answer is option. The result directly connects quiet rooms to fewer distractions. Students no longer needed to study is not supported by the passage. Distractions are always helpful is not supported by the passage, and quiet rooms increase noise is not supported by the passage. Question 5. When time is limited on a punctuation review question, which critical thinking response best fits this situation? A conclusion says a new study method caused higher scores, but the groups were not randomly assigned. Option A. The conclusion should ignore group differences. Option B. The conclusion may be too strong because another factor could explain the scores. Option C. Random assignment is never useful. Option D. Higher scores prove every student studied more. The correct answer is option. Without random assignment, group differences may affect the result. The conclusion should ignore group differences does not follow from the situation. Random assignment is never useful does not follow from the situation, and higher scores prove every student studied more does not follow from the situation. Question 6. Given the information in a pronoun agreement item, which second quantity matches a 2:8 ratio when the first quantity is 14? Option A, 63. Option B, 70. Option C, 56. Option D, 14. The correct answer is option. The first part grew from 2 to 14, so the scale factor is 7. Multiplying the second part, 8 times 7, gives 56. The other values use the total, the first quantity, or an extra scale step instead. Question 7. Suppose a similar parallel structure item appears on test day. Which word is closest in meaning to detect in a health article? Option A, scatter. Option B, discover. Option C, ignore. Option D, invent. The correct answer is option. Detect means discover, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Scatter means spread out, not discover. Ignore means overlook, not discover. And invent means create, not discover. Question 8. While working through a timed active voice set, which answer identifies the tiny air sacs exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide? Option A, alveoli. Option B, villi. Option C, bronchi. Option D, nephrons. The correct answer is option. Alveoli provide thin, moist surfaces where gases diffuse between air and blood. Villi absorb nutrients in the intestine, bronchi carry air toward the lungs, and nephrons filter blood in kidneys. Question 9. Before choosing an answer in a capitalization check item, which inference is best supported by the passage? A report says infection rates fell after staff completed a hand hygiene refresher. Option A, training increased infection rates. Option B, hand hygiene cannot affect infection. Option C, training may have improved compliance with hygiene practices. Option D, the refresher removed all risk permanently. The correct answer is option. The sequence suggests training supported better hygiene behavior. Training increased infection rates, is not supported by the passage. Hand hygiene cannot affect infection, is not supported by the passage. And the refresher removed all risk permanently, is not supported by the passage. Question 10. A student sees this clinical scenario idea on a NEX review. Which increase is shown from Monday 13 to Wednesday 23 in a simple practice chart? Option A, 10. Option B, 7. Option C, 23. Option D, 36. The correct answer is option. The increase is the final value minus the starting value, 2313 equals 10. The other choices use the final value alone, only the Monday to Tuesday change, or the sum instead of the difference. Question 11. One community clinic practice problem tests this skill. Which weight in pounds is closest to 55 kilograms using 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds? Option A, 57.2 pounds. Option B, 1,210 pounds. Option C, 25 pounds. Option D, 121 pounds. The correct answer is option. Multiply kilograms by 2.2, so 55 times 2.2 equals 121 pounds. The other choices divide instead of multiply, add the conversion factor, or move the decimal one place too far. Question 12. Several choices look tempting in a student survey item. Which word is closest in meaning to essential in a health article? Option A, unneeded. Option B, fragile. Option C, visible. Option D, necessary. The correct answer is option. Essential means necessary, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Unneeded means not required, not necessary. Fragile means easily broken, not necessary. And visible means able to be seen, not necessary. Question 13. For this wellness app nursing entrance question, which answer identifies the chemical messenger released by endocrine glands? Option A, platelet. Option B, antibody. Option C, enzyme. Option D, a hormone. The correct answer is option. Hormones travel through the bloodstream and affect target tissues. Platelet helps clotting, antibody targets antigens, and enzyme speeds chemical reactions. Question 14. In a short practice time or practice STEM, which inference is best supported by the passage? A clinic sends appointment reminders, and missed visits decline. Option A, patients cannot benefit from reminders. Option B, appointments no longer need scheduling. Option C, reminders can help patients remember appointments. Option D, reminders caused more missed visits. The correct answer is option. The decline in missed visits supports the role of reminders. Patients cannot benefit from reminders, is not supported by the passage. Appointments no longer need scheduling, is not supported by the passage. And reminders caused more missed visits, is not supported by the passage. Question 15. Among the choices in an exam readiness item, which answer identifies the transfer of heat through direct contact? Option A, convection. Option B, conduction. Option C, radiation. Option D, evaporation. The correct answer is option. Conduction transfers heat when particles collide through direct contact. Convection moves heat through fluid circulation. Radiation transfers energy by waves, and evaporation is liquid changing to gas. Question 16. Using the facts in a quick review question, which number is 20% of 300? Option A, 320. Option B, 60. Option C, 600. Option D, 280. The correct answer is option. 20% means 20/100, so 300 times 20/100 equals 60. The other choices come from adding or subtracting the percent, moving the decimal incorrectly, or dividing in the wrong direction. Question 17. Based on the clue in a hard question item, which word is closest in meaning to gradual in a health article? Option A, sudden. Option B, loyal. Option C, metallic. Option D, slow. The correct answer is option. Gradual means slow, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Sudden means quick, not slow. Loyal means faithful, not slow, and metallic relates to metal, not speed. Question 18. Consider this high-yield easy question concept. Which answer identifies the cell division that produces gametes? Option A, meiosis. Option B, translation. Option C, mitosis. Option D, diffusion. The correct answer is option. Meiosis reduces chromosome number and produces sperm or egg cells. Translation builds proteins. Mitosis produces identical body cells, and diffusion moves particles down a gradient. Question 19. Near the end of a mock test review session, which inference is best supported by the passage? A study found that students who practiced with timed sets felt more comfortable during the actual exam. Option A, timed practice can build exam familiarity. Option B, timed sets remove all content gaps. Option C, the exam has no time pressure. Option D, comfort never changes with practice. The correct answer is option. The passage connects timed practice with increased comfort. Timed sets remove all content gaps, is not supported by the passage. The exam has no time pressure, is not supported by the passage, and comfort never changes with practice, is not supported by the passage. Question 20. Across similar diagnostic set nursing entrance questions, which critical thinking response best fits this situation? A test item asks for the best answer, and two choices are true but only one directly answers the stem. Option A. The longest answer is automatically best. Option B. Any true statement is always best. Option C. The first familiar term should be chosen. Option D. The choice that directly answers the stem should be selected. The correct answer is option. Entrance exam items often include true distractors that do not answer the specific question. The longest answer is automatically best, does not follow from the situation. Any true statement is always best, does not follow from the situation, and the first familiar term should be chosen, does not follow from the situation. Question 21. Since only one choice fits the final review clue, which probability describes drawing a red card from a set with 2 red and 9 blue cards? Option A, 2/9. Option B, 2/11. Option C, 11 halves. Option D, 9/11. The correct answer is option. Probability is favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes, so the result is 2/11, simplified to 2/11. The other choices use blue cards, compare red to blue only, or invert the fraction. Question 22. From the information in a question bank item, which word is closest in meaning to modify in a health article? Option A, change. Option B, repeat. Option C, freeze. Option D, ignore. The correct answer is option. Modify means change, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Repeat means do again, not change. Freeze means make solid by cold, not change generally. And ignore means not notice, not change. Question 23. At a testing desk during a workbook page review, which answer identifies the solution with pH above 7? Option A, hypotonic. Option B, basic. Option C, acidic. Option D, neutral. The correct answer is option. A pH above 7 indicates a basic or alkaline solution. Hypotonic describes lower solute concentration, acidic describes pH below 7, and neutral describes pH 7. Question 24. Inside a study notes science or skills item, which answer best explains the author's point? A patient education sheet used short sentences, headings, and pictures. Option A, long paragraphs are best for patient teaching. Option B, headings reduce the value of information. Option C, pictures make written instructions unnecessary. Option D, clear formatting helps readers understand health information. The correct answer is option. The sheet is designed to improve readability and comprehension. Long paragraphs are best for patient teaching, is not supported by the passage. Headings reduce the value of information, is not supported by the passage, and pictures make written instructions unnecessary, is not supported by the passage. Question 25. Through careful reading of a revision guide STEM, which increase is shown from Monday 12 to Wednesday 20 in a simple practice chart? Option A, 32. Option B, 5. Option C, 20. Option D, 8. The correct answer is option. The increase is the final value minus the starting value, 2012 equals 8. The other choices use the final value alone, only the Monday to Tuesday change, or the sum instead of the difference.